The forgotten flow. In this world where traders obsess over entries, signals, and indicators, there's a silent force most overlook, a pulse, a vibration, a rhythm that governs not just the market, but life itself. Today we tap into something deeper, a sacred law that the ancients knew and the elite apply, the law of rhythm. Welcome to Mystic Trader, where we merge smart money concepts with sacred spiritual laws and unlock the deeper side of trading. Chapter 1. What is the law of rhythm? At the core of Hermetic wisdom lies this principle. Everything flows out and in. Everything has its tides. All things rise and fall. The law of rhythm is the dance of the universe. It governs the rise and fall of empires, the inhale and exhale of breath, the heartbeat, the ocean tide, the seasons. In trading, this law is alive. Price never moves in a straight line. Even within bullish trends, we see pullbacks. Even in bearish markets, there are rallies. To ignore this rhythm is to swim against a cosmic current. To align with it is to flow with the intelligence of the universe. Chapter 2. The Market's Breath. Understanding Flow. The market is a living organism. It breathes in expansion and exhales into corrections. It moves in waves, a rhythm driven by liquidity, time, and collective psychology. When traders understand this, they stop chasing every move. They learn to anticipate, to feel when the market is exhaling before they try to enter. A trader aligned with rhythm doesn't fear retracements. They welcome them because they understand. Every drop sets up the next rise. Every rise carries the seed of the next fall. This is not randomness, it's vibration. It's divine geometry unfolding through price action. Chapter 3. How rhythm reveals itself on the chart. You don't need magic to see rhythm. It's right there in the candles. Impulse, correction, continuation. This three-phase dance is how price breathes. Equal highs and lows being swept. That's liquidity creating the rhythm's reset point. Time of day patterns, London session bursts. NY continuation, Asian session calm. That's market timekeeping. The clock of rhythm. Fractals zoom in or zoom out. Same rhythm. The 1-minute chart mirrors the 1-hour chart. Micro to macro. Rhythm is in structure. Rhythm is in imbalance. Rhythm is in how smart money leaves its footprints. Chapter 4. Ego versus flow. Choosing alignment over urgency. The biggest threat to rhythm is ego. Ego wants constant action. It fears being left out. It trades when the market is asleep and sleeps when the market is offering gold. But the aligned trader, the mystic in the market, they know there is power in waiting. There is magic in timing. They don't try to create the wave. They position themselves for the wave that's already forming. When you move with rhythm, FOMO fades, overtrading dies, and clarity becomes your new edge. Chapter 5. Practical steps to align with rhythm 1. Journal candle behavior. Track how the market moves at specific hours, around news, or at session opens. Look for repeat patterns in energy and pace. 2. Meditate before trading. Center your own rhythm. A chaotic trader can't read a flowing market. 3. Respect. Time. Every session has its personality. London is aggressive, Asian is patient, NY is reactive. Align your trading style with the time you're in. 4. Honor the swing highs and lows. Every higher high tells a story. Every lower low confirms a rhythm shift. 5. Detach from outcome. Don't force trades. Let them come to you. If it doesn't align, it's not yours. Chapter 6. Becoming the rhythm. Trading as a spiritual practice rhythm isn't just something to observe, it's something to embody. When you align your breath with patience, when your trades reflect awareness and presence, you're no longer just pressing buttons. You're dancing with divine flow. This is spiritual trading. This is mystic alignment, where technicals meet the unseen, where charts become portals to deeper truths. You don't just trade anymore. You transmit wisdom with every position. Master the vibe, not just the chart. The market doesn't reward noise. It rewards alignment. And alignment comes from flowing with its rhythm, not against it. So next time you open your chart, ask yourself, am I moving with rhythm or resisting it? Because in the end, mastering the law of rhythm is mastering yourself. And once you master yourself, the market follows. This is Mystic Trader. Trade consciously, trade with soul, and always stay in rhythm.